Yo guys, what is up? This is Mr. VG and I'm here at Anant Anurag's house, Boost of Fitness. And you've watched him do a lot of stuff on screen, but today I'm gonna show you what happens off screen in the day of Boost of Fitness. Let's go.
Good morning, guys. So, as we all know, caffeine boosts up our energy instantly. I'll have black coffee as a pre workout daily. So, once this is done, let's jump into the workout. So, usually I work out twice a day, and in this COVID times, to avoid rush in public places, I choose home workouts for full body in the morning, and in the evening, as there won't be lot of rush, I'll go for jogging.
Yo, what are we doing today?
So let's just start off with few dynamic stretchings and warm-up sessions, and let's do full body workout with these resistance bands today, and also concentrate upon leg workout. So let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so today for my workout I am using these medium level resistance bands, as they can cover almost all the muscle groups on an average. So if you want to increase the resistance, you can go with high level resistance bands, or if you are a beginner, you can go with beginner level resistance bands as well. Okay, so as a full body workout, let's do it in a push and pull way. So as a first workout, let's do butterfly, which is a push workout. While you are doing butterfly workout, make sure you bend your elbows while going back, and when you push forward, extend your arms as much as you can. Okay guys, so I chose butterfly as the first workout because being a chest variant, it requires a lot of energy to put in. So in case if you want to change the first variant, you can go with pec flies or chest press as well.
Is there anything for the back?
Now as a pull workout, let's do seated rowing. When you do seated rowing, you can either sit on a suitable bench or chair, or take the squat position as I did. Also, pull the bands as much as you can towards your lower ribs. As the next push workout, let's do shoulder press. You can do shoulder press either by sitting on a suitable bench or chair, or by standing, and make sure your fist doesn't get twisted inwards. So we all know that drinking water is the most important part, but we often ignore it. So as per my current workout routine, I need to drink around 10 to 12 glasses per day. So I'll just take a minute break, drink some water and continue with the workout. Okay, so after full body workout, let's go with leg workouts, and as a first one, let's do side lunges. While doing side lunges, make sure your torso doesn't bend forward. Okay, so that was a hard one. So in case if you want to make it easier, you can either go with resistance squats or sumo squats as well.
So what do we do next?
So after side lunges, we are going to do Bulgarian split squat. While doing Bulgarian split squat, take enough gap between the wall and the leg on ground to maintain balance. Okay guys, so now let's do something very explosive. Okay, so after full body workout and leg workout, now let's work on our abs. Make sure you don't bend your knees and twist the torso as much as you can. While you do plank, do not place your hip too high or too low. Okay guys, so we all know that plank is a very basic workout. So if you want to make it harder, you can either do the same plank for a long time or go for side plank. So now that the workout is completed, let's end it up with stretching.
So what is your post-workout?
Okay guys, so after such a good workout session, I need a lot of protein, and 3 eggs would be sufficient protein for me because I will be consuming around 18 grams of protein with this. So in case if you don't want to have eggs and if your target is muscle building, you can go with bananas or sweet potatoes, and if you are looking for fat burning, you can go with an oatmeal. So until these get boiled, I'll take a bath and come.
So what are you doing now?
Okay, so I came to have my lunch now, and usually I prefer salads for lunch. So today I have a broccoli, tofu paneer, and bell pepper salad. So broccoli is for high protein and fiber as well, and tofu paneer it doesn't have any cholesterol in it and high in protein as well. And bell pepper, it is a good source of vitamin A, C, and potassium. So with all these, my lunch will be done. This is really tasty and healthy as well. So to enhance this salad, you can even add tomatoes, red cabbage or lemon to it. So I chose this salad because it has very low calories and high in protein. And it's not mandatory to always have salad. You can even have roti, rajma, sabzi, dal, anything else. So with this I consume around 30 grams of protein, but because my weight is around 75 kgs, I need to consume 30 more grams of protein in rest of my day. Okay guys, so back to work again, and let's go to jog in the evening. Yo guys, let's jog. Okay guys, so now I'm going to do push-ups till death, and I may not do regular push-ups all time. I may do clap push-up or any other kind of push-up, but I'll do till death. So let's see. Death set is that one set you do with all the energy you have and push until you can't do anymore. Okay, so now as it's cardio, let's do mountain climber. Okay guys, so the day went really well today. So for now I'll have peanut butter and multigrain sandwich. So with this I'll consume around 10 grams of protein. And now I'll just relax for a while and have dinner. So I'll have roti and mushroom curry as dinner. And you can have omelets, spinach, or roti with rajma, etc. Like anything that is healthy and which helps in fat loss. So now let's just relax and call it a day.